So, hello everyone. Welcome to this heartfelt conversation brought to you by Iron Souls, a space where we celebrate women who show up for themselves even on days which are really hard. So, whether you're a beginner or a busy mom or someone in between, this episode is for you. So, today I'm so excited to be joined by Bhavika, who's a coach, who's a mom, and who has walked the ramp as well as Mrs. India showstopper. But more than anything, she's a woman who chooses to rise, reset, and show up again and again. We're going to talk about a lot of things today: strength, identity, motherhood, the guilt that comes along with a lot of things, and the quiet fire that all of us have inside of us. So let's start. The first question to you, Bhavika, that I have is: how did your journey with fitness really begin?
It actually began postpartum. So I'll say here that postpartum I gave the birth, but I actually gave birth to myself. I felt that
Yeah.
because that was the society tells us, oh, motherhood is awesome, amazing. But I felt it was the most overwhelming thing I had encountered. I was probably not prepared for it. And it was difficult. It took a toll on me emotionally, physically, mentally. Being a C-section mom, it was again difficult. So one fine day I had, at the age of 30, 31, I had the issues of knee pain, back pain, extreme low on energy, fatigue, and I was overall lost in my head. Where I am heading in my life, I was not aware. And that actually triggered that this is not happening, that actually triggered. And what I'll do with my little one, how I'll take care of him.
Yeah.
So it just
It's like
started with
you
that.
discovered a new form of yourself, a new you.
Exactly,
Right.
exactly, exactly. And it was like this is not acceptable at this age. That was more of a trigger and a realization moment.
Yeah.
कि ये नहीं चलेगा. This is not happening that way.
Okay, so and like I know life gets really busy. So how do you manage? Because I see your stories, I follow your statuses. How do you manage to stay so consistent with your health goals?
See, honestly, Kirti, consistency is not just being perfect all the time.
Yeah.
It is a daily struggle to be consistent, be it workout, be it, preparing a lunch box for a kid, dropping him to the school or getting that workout done. It is everyday struggle. I'll not deny that. But
Yeah.
yes, that mindset of, listing up the things, having a checklist,
Yeah.
and the most important thing is a schedule that helps me, a planning, time management, that entire thing helps me
Right.
that way.
And like I feel this a lot of days as well, and I'm pretty sure a lot of women out there feel this too. So when the days you feel like you just can't do it, how do you manage? Because I've seen you be absolutely consistent every single day.
See, the day I feel that आज तो नहीं ही होगा, this is not going to happen today.
Yeah.
That is the day I try to push myself. I drag literally myself to the gym or to make a content or to post a story. But again, the mindset behind that is no, it's not a winning. It is actually वो दिन ऐसा होता है, I am totally pulled down by the bad day, bad feeling. But I try to show up on that day कि ये करना है because and the most important motivation that I have is what I'll tell to my kid if I give up today.
Right.
How I'll tell him that how you need to be consistent in your life, how you need to be working hard in your life. So I have to set an example for him as well, and maybe my mentees as well. कल आके वो बोलेंगे कि we are giving up today. No, I have to motivate them. I have to push them. So I have to be doubly consistent and motivated myself, and
Right.
that's too difficult. I agree on that, Kirti.
And I've seen you in the gym also many times, and I've seen that you bring your son also to the gym. So how has it
Yeah.
changed his mindset growing up?
Oh, he knows all the exercises name that okay, this is bicep curl, and he keeps a check on me, Mama, you are doing it wrong or right. So he is too comfortable with the gym environment. We never had a chance to be comfortable. Like when I started my journey, I was too nervous and too intimidated by the environment of the gym. But he's too comfortable. He knows what is dumbbell, he knows what is barbell, he knows what is lat pull.
Right.
So he patiently waits for us to finish our exercises, and now he has also started doing the workouts.
That is so
Maybe with the 1 kg he just plays with the dumbbells.
that is
So
so
I'm so glad that he's watching his mama doing it, and his future will be sorted.
Inspiration for him.
Actually. So
Right.
it's a try that way.
Yeah. And then my next question to you was like walking the Mrs. India ramp must have felt like really amazing. So what was it feeling like on the inside?
Inside, to be honest, I was very nervous, having that spotlight, people watching me doing that ramp walk. It was very nervous, but only one voice I had in my head: give your best shot today, give your best shot today, give your best walk, give your best answer, and just be genuine
Right.
and humble there. That just kept me going. Otherwise, I had all the heartbeats and butterflies, and I was very nervous that day walking the ramp.
Okay. That is lovely. And you were looking amazing. I saw all the
Thank you
pictures
so
and you
much.
were looking really
Thank
good.
you.
Now, the social setting that we all stay in, the social gatherings that we have, the engagements that we have, how do you set boundaries with people, with yourself when it comes to social gatherings, the food that we eat when we go for parties? Like, is there
Right.
some light that you could share on that?
Sure. See, what I do is I plan my day if I have a social gathering in the evening. But the very important thing that you asked me here, Kirti, is the mindset and the society mindset.
Right.
Oh, why are you not eating this? You should eat this. अभी तो पतले हो गए हो, आपको खाने की जरूरत है. People, either you are fat, either you are fit, you will be shamed for your choices. So here I set up a boundary and I just speak a word. I'm good with it. I'm fine. I'm fine. Setting up a boundary so I don't let people to, dictate me what I'm supposed to eat, not eat, or eat, or do it, or what not to. है ना मतलब पीपल से कि इससे क्या फर्क पड़ेगा नाउ जस्ट हैव वन पीस ईट
एक ही
पीपल
तो दिन
आल्सो
है।
से एट नाइट
हाँ,
या
आज के ही कर लो।
आज कर लो कल से देख लेंगे सो बट एट दैट मोमेंट योर विल पावर इज टेस्टेड आई एम ऑल्सो टेम्पटेड बट आई से नो आई
Right.
एम गुड थैंक यू सो मच assertively politely you have to deal with this and the people who actually encourage your goals who appreciate your journey will definitely say oh it's okay I understand
Right.
right and we all need such people in our lives right positively encouraging people
So,
that
what are
way
the few
Kirti.
things that you do have when you go for a party, or what is it that you drink, or like when you are offered a drink, what is something that you would choose when it comes to drinks and when it comes to food?
When it comes to drink, I am usually with the salted lime soda, or maybe if coconut water is available with that.
Right.
And maybe once in a while, matlab, I personally don't feel like having nowadays, but once in a while, if it's like a too close a social setting with friends or something, maybe one drink I take, and I'm very okay with that,
Right.
right? And that is it. So naturally, it doesn't come because okay, I have to set up my sleep. I have a next day to look forward to with my workout, and I can't afford to have low on energy that
Right.
way because I already have in my mind about the next day to be prepared
Yes.
that way. So that is the thing. And day how I prepare is I concentrate on having a good satiating meal before I head to a party, so that I don't tend to give in on the rich denser snacks
Wonderful.
that is offered. Yeah.
Okay, that's really great. And Bhavika, like these days, I see a lot of women. They are struggling with body dysmorphia. What is something that you
Yeah.
would like to tell them, since you've been through an entire journey where you felt you were not so fit, and then you right now are an inspiration to so many other women.
Right. Definitely, I have gone through that, and I at times I go through that as well. But the only thing I feel is, accept yourself the way you are. Primarily, that is important. One has to start loving, but that also doesn't mean that you have to be very comfortable the way you are,
Right.
Kirti. Right? So, what I always feel. Rather than the body shape and size, it is the health, it is the feel good factor in your skin, it is the health marker that shows in the blood report, it is the mental emotional equation you have with your family, how happily you are placed,
Right.
how happily you are with your body, how nicely you can carry yourself and do a workout, do a walk without feeling drained emotionally, physically.
Right.
That is the primary parameter for me, and that helps to overcome such feelings of self image issues in
Yeah.
the head.
Yeah. Like
Kirti.
in fact, my coach also keeps telling me that,
Yeah.
don't get married to the numbers. If you're feeling good, it's
Exactly,
good.
exactly. Because see, numbers, every female, they are conditioned in the head that weighing scale पे कम number लाना है.
Yeah.
But I know females who are 65 kgs, 70 kgs, very lean and very fit and competing in powerlifting and bodybuilding competitions. So number is not the thing. How fit you are on your health markers, on your emotional health, mental health, physical health, that is the most important thing
Yeah.
that way.
And Bhavika, if you could go back to your early 20s, what is one advice that you would give yourself?
I'll just say myself, set boundaries, the most important thing, yeah, with the society, with the people, and start your fitness as soon as possible. Fitness is not draining yourself entirely in the gym and eating less. It is like building a right mindset towards life
Yeah.
that way. So I'll always advise myself, okay, I would love to enjoy eating junk back then what I used to eat. I used to hog on Maggie and noodles and whatnot. Definitely, I would have enjoyed that, but at the same time, थोड़ा सा अगर वहां पे भी inclination होता मेरा, I would have thanked myself that way.
Yeah. And as a coach and as a mom, what would you define your the word strength to be? Because you are somebody who lifts as well. I've seen you're absolutely amazing, and you're strong. Like as a strong partner, you're there for your husband. As a strong mom, you're there. So, what does the word strength mean to you?
Strength for me, it means, Kirti, it's self belief within. Okay, that you can do this. It's not the 100 kg deadlift or 80 kg deadlift that I do. It is, I can do this. This is meant for me. I embrace, accept with the all the self belief, with the go getter attitude कि ये हो जाएगा. ये होना ही है. And I have to put that efforts. So
Yeah.
that is strength for me. Doing that efforts and the self belief. Baki progress process jo aega, the outcome, I don't care. But I have to put my heart and soul in the thing that I do. That is, I define as a strength,
That's lovely.
Kirti.
And
Yeah.
to all the women who are going to be listening to this episode, who are going to be listening to you, and who are feeling stuck in their fitness journey, what is it that you would like to say to those women who are watching?
See, I was also there, Kirti, right? I was stuck, lost with the postpartum depression. I didn't know where to head, in my life. क्या संभालूं ऐसे बिखरा सा लग रहा था at the time. What was my identity? I was totally stuck where I am heading. So if I quote my experience, I'll say just start. Once you put that small effort, once you start loving a little to yourself,
Right.
once I start saying in the mirror, hey, girl, I accept you the way you are, and you will be there, and I love you so much.
Right.
That a little love, a little care I give to myself, and I felt so nice after that,
Yeah.
that way. So, आज से शुरू करो. Start from today, loving a little more to yourself and being a little more kind to yourself,
Right.
that way.
Thank you so much, Bhavika, for sharing your story with such honesty and such with such good feelings within you. You've reminded all of us that strength is not about having it all together. It's actually about showing up, setting boundaries and
Exactly.
choosing yourself, like even when it gets
True.
like really, really hard. So, to everyone
Right.
who is listening, if there's one thing I'd hope you take away from this conversation, that is that you're allowed to begin again and again. And whether you're a mom, whether you're a beginner, or whether you're someone who's just tired, your journey is absolutely valid and your strength is very real. So, this is what Iron Souls is all about, building a community where women who rise and fall, and then we help women rise up again and together. So, until next time, take care of yourself. You do matter.